What's up, guys? So today I want to decorate my living room. It's already kind of Christmassy, but there's just so much more we could do. I'll show you guys what I already have. I already have a couple trees up, but I want to ignore that one. That's my Charlie Brown Christmas tree, but I want to get it like official in here. Okay, so this is what I have so far. I have 3 trees in here. I had it rearranged differently. Before I had that big guy where this guy is, and I had a tree behind the couch because I always like to have like a centerpiece there. So all of these trees are from Amazon. I'm not really in love with the tree skirts, but it works. And you can't really tell, but this tree, that tree right there is actually 7.5 feet. I know. And then that one in that corner is 9 feet, but it doesn't even look that tall. And then this guy right here is 6 feet, and we need another tree skirt for this tree. At Home Depot, they had these baskets that I actually liked. Now, if I was really serious, I would put that palm tree out and put like a giant tree there, but you know, ain't nobody got time. I'll show you guys my Pinterest board for Christmas decorations. Wow, that sounded like a mouthful. So I kind of see these like black and white Christmas trees that I like, minus the stripes, because you know I love a monochrome moment. And I really love this garland on the mirror idea. That's super fancy, and I want to try and recreate it, but it looks like they definitely made that garland, and I'm like, do I really have it in me? But the thing about these Christmas trees is, look, wait, hold on, now focus. Look how many friggin' ornaments there are. Like, that's what I feel like these bougie Christmas trees, like they all have a million ornaments. Like what, this is a lot of moving parts, right? Like there are about 250 ornaments, a ribbon, lights. What the hell is that? Is that a sleigh? Like, oh, that's a lot of stuff. And I have 3 trees in here already, and I'm just like, dude, so what do I need, like 700 ornaments? First things first though, let's get a coffee. It is freezing bulls. So this morning, I was laying in bed at about 7:30 a.m. I was awake. I was just looking on my phone, cuddling with the pups. My alarm goes off. I was home alone. Long story short, police came, searched through the whole house. There wasn't nobody in there. Like, the panel on my alarm system was loose, and it had been like that for a while and nothing was happening, but for some reason this morning it like tripped and it sent like a burglary note, and it was just so frustrating because I called the alarm company while the alarm was going off, while I was freaking the fuck out outside, and I asked them, and the girl on the phone was super rude to me. She was like, yeah, mom, it's a burglary alert. The authorities have been notified. I'm like, what the f? Like, she was just so rude. Like, I could not believe her tone. Like, bitch, I'm trying to figure out if someone's in my f***ing house, and I swear to God, I will reach my hand through this f***ing phone. And, yeah, but no, no one was in my house. It was a little scary. So I started my day that way. Shortly thereafter, I had a meltdown. Then I discovered that it was that time of the month, and I was like, okay, all right, I'm not just crazy. Praise be. So I really like these LED trees. They're really expensive here. I feel like I can find them on Amazon for cheaper. I totally blew it in there. That is not the type of place you go into without a game plan. I did not have a game plan. And honestly, it was so expensive. Like, I saw one ornament for, like, most of the ornaments I saw were like $20. Like, one little branch was $20. I mean, I guess that's where that place was not for amateurs though. That was for the serious Christmas people. Whew, I was hot. Okay, so the guy said, I asked this one dude, I was like, how many ornaments do I need on a 9-foot tree? And he was like, all right, you want to do 3 different colors and do at least 10 of each. So 30 ornaments. And then you got to do the ribbons. And I have 3 trees. Is this going to happen? By the time I got to Target, my commitment to this project was dwindling. Did I really need all this crap? Wasn't there some sort of centerpiece I could buy that would work year-round? Plus, the decorations at Target weren't all that. Alright, so great news, guys. This stupid garland that I got, up on the mirror, it's only to about right there, so we need another one of these. Just testing out some of the decorations that I got on the tree so far. Oh, yeah. And my LED trees that I was so happy to find. None of them have batteries, and this one is missing a power adapter. So we're gonna have to come back to this. Oh, my puppies. Wiley, you are a chunky monkey. Wiley, can you show? Come here. You guys, I taught Wiley a trick. Come here. I want to show you. Okay. Sit. Yes. Down. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Yay, what a good girl. What a good baby. So I ended up going back to Aldic Home, which was that bougie, crazy Christmas store, and getting another garland so that it fit the mirror. This is where I also picked up some beads and just draped them around the garland on the mirror, and I love how this came out, and especially at night, the way it glows. This is definitely my favorite thing in the house. For the trees, I got all of the ornaments and decorations at Michael's Arts and Crafts. So I got like the big 50-pack of ornaments, and I think they were around like $10 or $11. And then I got some little feathers, some branches, little poof things with glitter on it, and I just put as many as I could in the trees, and I stuck to the same color scheme. I wasn't sure if everything would get washed out, but I feel like since it's so busy, it works. I didn't do too many accessories, so I just got a couple LED trees. This one is a few years old, and it was a gift. It came in PR. And then I ordered some LED trees from Amazon, and I ended up putting 3 behind the couch and adding 1 to that front mirror right there. And this is gonna be it for me this year, you guys. Next year, I may incorporate some color. I'm gonna have a good base of decorations to start with. But yeah, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and joining me on this vlog. Subscribe if you're not already, leave me a comment, and I will see you in my next video.